So imagine like someone who doesn't speak English, okay, and travel to another country to like order food in the restaurant, okay. You know when they when they want to like order food,
Yeah.
okay, we want to order chicken, for example. How they describe this? I saw actually this video on YouTube, like
Yeah. Yes, because how else, right? That's a universal. I don't know, charade.
oh yeah, I got you. You want a chicken? Yeah, chicken. Yeah. With another thing like also they act like another animal.
Yeah. Do a cow. How would you do a cow?
I've never been a cow actually.
You say like moo. Moo. I want to moo. Ahmed, do you want to do something specific today, or do you want to chat? What do you want to do today?
Thank you for your question. But your question is like, wow, I'm a new student here. Yeah, that feels like you don't know me and you don't know everything about me.
Oh, I'm sorry. I don't want you to feel like that.
No,
But I
no
always
worries.
leave it till like 5 minutes. There's 5 minutes left, and then I'll ask the student, I'm sorry, did you want to do something specific today? Because once we start talking, it just, it goes, and then the time
So,
flies.
yeah, I have a question for you.
Yes.
So, am I on your set regular student list?
Yes, you are.
Wow,
Sorry.
thank you. Okay, next
Let me
question.
check.
So, did you...
Okay, but I'm sure you are. Because you like one
okay,
of my first students.
check.
Yeah? Let me see. Why are you struggling to get a booking?
No, I'm not struggling. It's very easy for me to book a lesson with you.
No, you're definitely on my regular list. I just checked.
Thank you. So, did you take notes about me?
Did I take some notes? Let's
Yeah.
see. I would have. This was in the beginning. Sometimes my memory, sometimes I have to take notes. Do you want to know what they are? Oh, I didn't.
Yeah, really?
There's no notes for you.
Okay.
I'm sorry, but you
let's fill
obviously
up
made
this.
a good impression because I remember you. So
Let's fill up this
okay.
this space of notes. Yeah.
Yeah, what
So,
should I
for
say?
example, if you want to take notes about me, what would you say?
It's difficult. This stuff are
Why?
usually
It's easy for you because you used to take notes about students, right?
yeah, usually it's like a feature, so a facial feature, so that when I
Yeah.
don't remember a name, I can just check that very quickly and then it comes back to me. So what would I say about you?
Did you say like facial feature?
Yes, a facial feature.
Yeah.
Which is like,
I might have like a long face, or maybe.
yeah, but normal face, and then I don't know. You have blue eyes, right? Blue-green eyes.
Yeah. Oh, I wonder. Do you have like some student? They have like triangle face.
Triangular faces. Um, no, not really. That means you have a very big forehead and quite a small chin, right? So
Yeah.
no.
Okay.
Heart-shaped faces, yes. Like a
Uh-huh.
smaller forehead and a nice heart-shaped face.
Oh, some people they do.
Yeah.
I thought there is no there is no like faces like this.
No, there's especially in like petite people, so small people.
Petite people.
Petite.
I have heard
They
about this word before.
have heart-shaped faces. Not all of them, obviously, but some of them do. Oh, hair in my mouth. Get stuck everywhere. Go away.
Don't eat your mouth.
Oh man.
Don't eat your hair.
No, it's probably good if you're on a diet, but no, I'm not a cat, so I shouldn't eat my hair.
Sir, you're not on a diet.
No, not yet. I should be on one, but no. It's like a New Year's resolution for a lot of people.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, but not for me. I'm happy with my with my shape.
Right? I think we kind of reach a certain age where it's just like, oh well, this is me. It's not going anywhere.
Exactly. Yeah, exactly. You know, like I quit diet eating like diet food because I told myself, I convinced myself like, well, like the my clothes, it's okay, and if I get like fat, I will like buy some like clothes like X large,
Yeah,
X large. It's okay because the companies, they are making X large, XX large, 3X large.
exactly.
So
Yeah.
who's gonna wear these stuff? So I'm gonna wear this stuff.
Aw.
Okay,
Okay,
so
so
it's
you're actually
okay.
supporting those companies by gaining weight. You're like, I'll be
Yeah.
that guy
Also supporting
in
the
the
food,
extra
the
large.
restaurant.
Yes. Oh, I like that perspective. I think I'm gonna do that as well. And I've noticed, like, if you do pick up some weight, you have some clothes that are bigger and some are smaller. So you just organize your cupboard to find the right clothes. So I usually have a range of clothes for my skinny self and my fat self and my medium self.
No,
So
for me, like every year, I like my closet. I arrange it like, wow, this this shirt doesn't like suit me anymore. Okay, let's put it aside.
yeah.
Oh, this trouser also doesn't fit me. Put it aside, and then I figure out like, wow, I have a bunch of clothes that I will not use it anymore. Okay,
Oh. And then what do you
and
do with that?
I will call my some friends, like my skinny friends. Hey, come over here, and I
Come
will give you,
do some
wow.
shopping. Some free shopping.
Yeah, exactly.
Oh, that's good. If you have really nice clothes, that's a good thing to do. But probably if they're all worn out, your friends won't want them.
Yeah.
Yeah, if they've got like, you have your favorite t-shirts and pants and you wear them
It,
until they're
it,
like unrecognizable.
yeah,
But you don't want to throw them away.
you
Or
have
give
like
them away.
memories. You have memories about this shirt or about this trouser, right?
Exactly. You become sentimental about it and then you don't want to give or throw it away.
Yeah.
How did we
Actually,
get to this topic?
we were talking about like diet.
Yes, we were talking about diets, which
Let's go back about on student tour. It's a student profile.
yes, your student profile.
Tell me, what do you,
I don't know if I'm
what
allowed
do
to
you
show you
see?
yours.
Yeah, what do you see like on the student profile?
On your student profile, so I see
Yeah.
you. I see
Hi.
you.
Well, what do you think, Cambly, for the beginners? It's okay for them?
Um, Cambly for beginners. Yeah, that's good. It depends on the tutor. Like some tutors don't want to work with beginners.
Yeah.
Um, because obviously it's a bit easier to have a free-flowing conversation than doing a lesson.
Yeah.
Um, but yeah, it's good for beginners. It depends on the tutor, right?
Depends on the tutor. Yeah, because
Mm.
like 2 years ago, I made myself like I am less than like beginner level. Okay,
Okay.
I pretend that with a tutor. He's a guy from America, and wow, actually I was pranking him. Like,
Are you bad? Sometimes I actually think students are doing that, but then it's like, okay, no, they really can't speak English. It's okay.
So you feel like
Ah,
that.
so some students do that. I was right. Okay, and then what happened?
No, maybe just like people who has like the same things for me, like YouTube channel, and they want like to show like I wanted to show like people like Cambly. It's not just for intermediate level or advanced level. It's also for beginners.
Yeah, definitely.
So I pretended that, and I after all I told them like I'm not beginner, nor like advanced level. I am like
Intermediate.
intermediate in
Yes.
between. I wouldn't say like intermediate at that time, like 2 years ago.
Okay.
Okay, so he started to like showing me like the big pictures of like, oh, okay, this is, what do you call this? I said, I don't know, tomato. It was apple, okay? But I told him like, yeah, tomato.
Oh, you're so bad. Okay, and then what happened? What showed me he like really he was very patient with you, I suppose.
Yeah, he was very patient. I
Yeah.
thanked him like, I'm grateful for you because you're patient with me.
And then
And
did you tell him that you were joking?
yeah, I told him like, yeah. He was dying by laughing actually.
Oh yeah. Because I think that's a relief because sometimes with beginners it is a hard work, right? You have to really
Yeah,
focus.
yeah.
It's a different kind of tutoring.
You
So
have
when
to
someone says they're just joking, I can imagine that it was a relief for him.
you have
Maybe.
to focus, and you have like to use like your facial expression, your hands to
Yes,
like
yes.
explain things. So imagine like someone who doesn't speak English, okay, and travel to another country to like order food in the restaurant, okay. You know when they when they want to like order food,
Yeah.
okay, we want to order it like chicken, for
Mm-hmm.
example. How they describe this? I saw actually this video on YouTube. Like they go,
Yeah. Yes, because how else, right? That's a universal. I don't know, charades.
oh yeah, I got you. You want a chicken?
Yeah.
Yeah, chicken. Yeah. With another thing like also they act like another animal.
Yeah. I'll do a cow. How would you do a cow?
I've never been a cow actually.
You say like moo. Moo. I want to moo. So
I would,
odd.
I would, but maybe like the waiter will understand like another thing and will bring like a big cow. This is what you want?
Yeah, like an entire imagine bringing an entire cow starting to milk it. But yeah, that's interesting. I wonder sounds stupid, but cows moo like I don't know if they call it something different in other countries though. Like I know in English we say a cow moos, but
Moose. What does it mean, moose? Like the
oh
sound
yes,
of the
that's
cow?
my point. Yes, so obviously you guys have a different word for the sound that a cow makes, right?
Like just tell me again.
Yes,
Moose
so moo like
spelled.
a cow moos. So this is the verb, I think.
Okay.
Like a cow makes
Moose.
moo. That's the sound a cow makes. So I wonder if you have a different word for that.
And the
Moo.
cat also say
Mouse.
meow
Mouse. Yes. Yes.
meow.
Yeah, that's perfect. But I wonder, do you have a do you have a different word for it in your language?
It's not a word.
The
It's a
sound.
sound.
I know,
It's a
so it's
sound.
difficult, right? It's like a
But you know, it's like there is a word for these. I'm pretty sure there is a words for these sounds. You know, like the
oh
sound of
yes, I know what you
yeah,
mean.
the sound of the for example for the horse, for the monkey, for yeah, there is a sound. But I'm not familiar even in Arabic.
Yeah.
I saw this before, like a picture. It
Yes.
has like different animals and the sound of animals. Okay,
Yeah.
yeah, and I told myself, well, I will not use it when in my conversation, so
Yeah.
I left it aside.
Oh, okay, okay. So it's not something that you obviously you don't talk about it every day. But I mean, so if you see a cow and it makes a sound and you're speaking Arabic, what do you say? There's a cow that moos?
Moose, not moose. Uh, it's a sound.
Yes. Yeah, but I mean, it's weird, right? Because we have these in and we use them as verbs, but they're actually sounds. There's a word for that. I think it's oh, it's a long one. I'm hoping I'm saying it correctly. Onomatopoeia. Have you heard of this? Onomatopoeia. Am I confusing you now, Ahmed?
Pia, the sound of
Yes.
what animal?
Onomatopoeia is like a word that sounds like the sound. There we go. I just had to check the spelling because look at that word. It's a
Why
very
this
long
word? Why this word?
It's just like
Onomatopoeia.
it refers to
The sound of the animals?
or it could be any sound like brrr for a car or honk honk for a horn. Words that sound like how they sound.
How they sound.
Yes, it's called onomatopoeia.
Interesting.
Yeah. So there's a little interesting word for today. Will you remember it? I don't know.
Of course, I will not use it in my daily conversations.
You don't have to.
Right? Maybe even the native English speakers, when I tell them like this word, they will act like, huh?
Yeah, maybe you should ask them.
From where did you take this word?
I just remember I learned this in school actually, like words that sound like how they sound. And then I remember that it's a weird sound, so a weird word. Anyway.